Kristen, your energy wizard, magic tree, a true wizard. We're going to give you a 365-degree tour of the magic tree. Why? Because we are about to offer you a 365-day Qigong adventure, 1 minute a day, over on Instagram. All the links will be below. Each day we're going to offer you a key principle of the Qigong practice to help you integrate this practice that can give you grounding and stability in these times of uncertainty. Join me, the tree, and enliven your Qi in 1 minute a day. Let us find connection together and grounding as the world keeps on spinning. See you tomorrow.